This video is being prepared for a better understanding of what NTMA U offers to our membership. NTMA U is a certified apprenticeship training program that carries 21 college credits for a degree in manufacturing, engineering, and manufacturing technology. That is awarded at the completion of our full 6 semesters. The courses themselves are broken down into modules, and they are based on a semester system, whereas each semester offers 100 contact hours. Being that there's 6 semesters, we exceed the Federal Bureau of Apprenticeship and Training guidelines by offering 600 total hours, 100 hours in each one of these semesters. The FBAT requires 576 hours. We begin with many of our companies taking advantage of our mechanical aptitude test. Now, this test is a 4-part series test. This test is offered to our membership at $35 per test. And with this 4-part series test, we cover courses, or at least aptitudes of ability, mechanical ability, beginning with spatial relations, as you're seeing here. We move on to mechanical reasoning, mathematical tests, and personal and verbal skills. Each one of these series of tests are geared specifically for the manufacturing trade, whereas we find out what the student's ability is, or what the potential employee's ability is, to be successful in our trade. This course, or at least what you're seeing here on the screen right now, is the mechanical reasoning section, and this helps us to understand better what the students would be as far as an accomplished individual. Once we find that the students are successful at that 4-part series test, we then put them into our standard courses. And these courses begin with basic math, basic blueprint reading, basic shop safety, and basic shop technology. The courses are set up again as they would have 100 contact hours within each one of the courses, and each one again is specifically set up or designed by our educational team and the outcomes that they feel is required or needed to be a successful candidate in our trade. We then progress into CNC programming, where the students or the individuals start to learn about code and writing code, and they actually go in there as they are learning the code, and they learn on separate control panels. We have 16 different control panels that we teach the students on. These are modular training panels, and they are able to choose from Haas, FANUC, and the other GE systems of training. Let's take a look at some of the applications that we have. Here we have our Haas ones, and this moves on into the FANUC or FANUC, whichever way you put it. This is an actual simulator of what it would look like. The students actually come in here and program the part that has to be manufactured. They see the tool changes, and they're able to zoom in on this. What happens with this is they are allowed 3 mistakes. If they make an error into programming 3 times, they have to start all the way back at the beginning. This is our standard milling training program with the simulators and the actual control panel. In this series here, we're demonstrating the turning process and the CNC turning process that we have available. And the students, again, are able to scroll in and actually be able to see the piece part being manufactured, as well as the tool changes. Here the tool is facing off, starting out with a face off, and then it starts to turn. And this part will turn an actual taper and provide an undercut, as well as some drilled holes and then a bored hole. Here you'll see that the part is almost completely done, and you'll see a tool change take place, and you can see the taper starting to develop right in here. Finish cut, tool change, thread, drilled hole, and also finally the undercuts. In our more advanced semesters, we cover programs such as metallurgy. We go into specialty tooling, advanced math, geometric dimensioning and tolerancing, and specialty steels. In each of these, we have videos. There are over 600 YouTube videos that we have in our system. And through this, we're able to share with our students the different processes and procedures of manufacturing and everything that's required in the trade. In our final semester, we have a capstone program where we cover basic die, basic mold making, basic jig and fixturing, and then also some more advanced math. We hope that this video gives you a better idea of what we're covering and what we're trying to accomplish with our workforce development training. And if you have any questions, please give us a call, and we hope to hear from you soon. Thank you very much, and thank you for your interest in NTMA U.